So a customer took his trailer to Discount Tire to try to get some tires put on. Was his first mistake, buying tires at an expensive tire place instead of coming to Trailer Parts Unlimited. But when he got there, they couldn't take his wheels off because when they try to take the lug nuts off, the studs were just turning inside the hub. So what Chewy is doing here is fixing that problem.
Oh, is he fixing something?
Yep. So he's taking the hubs,
Oh, okay, yeah.
replacing those,
When
and
the hell did this trailer get here?
taking the strips. Hello. Good, how are you? Huh? This has been here for days. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it was. Because I was loading them tires up and I had to be careful not to back into them. You're right.
Yeah, this guy came by and he was like really sweating having someone come and fix his tire because the bolt is stripped out on it. You could literally spin it. So that's what he's doing. It is hot.
Shit.
And I'm melting. My makeup is too.
My sunscreen is, I put sunscreen on every morning like it's lotion or something.
That's what you're supposed to do. That's good. I don't do that.
Yeah, the only thing bad about it is because it's so thick, you immediately just feel sweaty or something. Your pores clogged and shit.
Yep. This looks dirty.
Yeah. Real dirty.
Oh, I wonder if these are good. They look worn down. Oh, I guess it don't matter. He's about to change it out anyway. The ropes. You want some?
Huh. We got a whole bucket of red. Some of that red, it's red.
I know, it's different. I kind of like the green color, but it looks dirtier. Stand right here. Why don't you? Chewy's supposed to come right back.
Where'd you go?
To go get the hubs, I guess. Oh, and he had to take that other one off the wheels. I'm gonna go find him real quick.